Okay, now we're gonna work with the putting the soap, reloading it. So we're working with, like, usually when Robbie gets a hold of something like this, he wants to, you know, do something with it, like eat it or whatever, or OCD it. So we're gonna renounce OCD in the name of Jesus Christ first. And here we go, Robs. Let's put the soap in. Actually, I've been doing it first because this is still kind of complicated for us, but you just hand over hand like you would do it. Take it in the scoop and whoopee, put it in there. Get some. Might have to redo that scoop. So then we dump it in. Yay! And they'll get to the point where, you know, those are things you can just start, you know, relinquishing control a little more for them to put it in. And so now we're gonna load. So we're gonna get some of Daddy's clothes. Hope I won't pull some underwear over here. That would be embarrassing, right? We all wear them. Okay, so we put those in. Can you get another one? Now I'm gonna let him bend down and see if he can get one to put it in. Yay, buddy! Good job. You're loading Dad's clothes. I'll try to sort so we don't see underwear. That's the fun part, right? Okay, there you go. So you want to get a couple more to show them? One more. Get some more, and then we'll get the rest in. All right, way to go. Praise God. You're doing so good, mister. You know, and if you get stuck here and they start to cry or scream or don't want to do it, just go back to your hand over hand and you keep telling them to say, bye-bye, anger. See you later, you know, or whatever thing that they're doing that's not helping this process, just tell it to go bye-bye. Let's tell it to go bye-bye. And if you need to take a break and go to the bathroom and flush it down the toilet, whatever the thing is that's happening, do it together and praise Jesus that he's bringing it to light, that it's happening and you can deal with it and move on, you know, to see your little child just unfold like a precious little gift helping you do the laundry. Woohoo! Praise God. All right.